Hi, this is your Airbnb specialist, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel a reservation as a host. For that, you will need to go into the message thread with the guest. So I will click on inbox here, and then let's say I want to cancel this reservation. You click on that, and then on the right hand side you will see the entire details of the reservation are displayed. You scroll to the bottom and there you will see change or cancel a reservation option. Click on that. And then it gives you two options. If you want to change the reservation, you can, or if you want to cancel, we will click on that. It is always a good idea, rather than canceling it, try and change if the guest is okay to have an altered date or something else. Try and change the reservation, because canceling is going to have a downstream negative impact on your listing. Anyway, let's carry on. So we'll click on cancel a reservation, and then it gives you various options, which is the reason why you want to cancel. And based on each reason, based on the reason you choose, there will be penalties applied on your listing. For example, if you say my place is unavailable, that is going to have penalties. So I click on next, and the penalties applied are a cancellation fee of $100, which will be taken out from my next payout, an automatic cancellation review. So a cancellation review will be posted on my public profile saying this cancelled a reservation 3 weeks or 5 weeks or whatever it is, 5 weeks before the stay. And the most important is your calendar will be permanently blocked. You will not be able to open those dates for someone else to book. The last one is you will lose your superhost status depending on how many reservations you've canceled in the past 1 year. So these are the options you will need to choose from. If you choose that, and yeah, it lets you choose another secondary option before you do that. You will see the options you get to choose in the next screen are different under each header, but there is always a penalty, always a cancellation review. However, if you have to cancel a reservation due to COVID, if there was a regulation, if there was a restriction for which or you're not able to host, you will need to choose this option. This is one option where you will not have to pay any penalty. Airbnb has been generous. They've been very accommodating. If you choose, I'm uncomfortable hosting right now due to COVID concerns, and when you go into the next screen, it says this cancellation will be penalty free. Please note, after a couple of cancellations like this, they will start charging you. There will be penalty. They will start blocking your calendar and all that. Even in this option, your calendar stays blocked. So if I go ahead in this option, it will let me cancel. It will prompt me to write a message for the guest, which is always nice to have. There are a few other options where you can get away without a penalty, which is you can choose, I have reason to believe my guest intends to throw a party after checking out the guest reviews. Or if you think the guest is going to break your house rules, those kind of things, you can choose and try which option gives you a penalty and which doesn't. It keeps changing depending on the profile, how many cancellations you've been doing, etc., etc. But it's better to try all the options, and it is always wise to choose the right option, the appropriate option for which you're canceling it. In my scenario, I'm canceling this reservation because of a COVID restriction in the area. So I will choose that option and click next. There it shows this cancellation will be penalty free, etc., etc. And then I click next, and here it will prompt me to write a message. I will say apologies. We will not host due to local restrictions, and then cancel a reservation. And after that, there you go, you will see the message. The reservation is going to be cancelled. However, even in this scenario, Airbnb will block my calendar, which is fine, because that's what the whole point is. I'm canceling it because of a local restriction, and I don't mind having a blocked calendar. So there you can see my calendar is now blocked. no one else can book it, but there is no penalty applied on my payouts, or there is no automated review on my profile. So that's how you can cancel a reservation as a host. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to make more such useful videos for you. Until next time, bye-bye.